Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 22nd tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to check out the logical OR operator. Now in the last tutorial we saw the logical AND operator, and we saw that the AND operator makes it necessary for all the conditions to result into a true value, right? So all conditions need to be satisfied, and only if that is the case the logical AND operator would allow the if statement to work. But with the logical OR operator, that's not necessary. And if the OR operator is working on, let's say, 5 conditions, then even if one of those 5 conditions would evaluate to true, then we would be good to go. The entire thing would work. So let me demonstrate the operator to you in a program, and that would make it easier for us to understand what the operator actually does. So as you can see, I've saved this file. It's called logical_or.c. On line 1 I have a comment, and I also have my header file and main function in place, so we can type in the code that we need for the program. And what I'm going to do in this tutorial is, in this program I'm going to ask the user to enter the alphabet A as input. And well, if the input would be A, then we'll display one message. If it would not be A, we'll display something else, and that's something we always do. But the input, even if it is A, it could either be small a or big A, that is lowercase a, or the uppercase A. And that could be, because maybe the user is shifting up, or you can't be sure of it, and maybe the user's caps lock key is on, so the input could be uppercase A, and if it's off, then obviously it will be lowercase a. So since the lowercase a and the uppercase a both have different ASCII values, we would need 2 test conditions, and one of them is going to be to check whether the alphabet entered is lowercase a, and the other one is going to be to check whether the alphabet entered is big A. So let's first declare our character, and I'm going to call mine ch, and I'll use printf to ask the user to enter the alphabet A. Enter alphabet A. I'll put a colon, make things neat. I'll put a semicolon to terminate this one, and then I'll use scanf to get my input. Now remember, since we're dealing with a character here, we'll have to use the %c format specifier, and I'll provide scanf the address by using the address of operator and the name of the variable, which is ch. Put a semicolon to terminate this one, and then we're going to have the if statement, and the test condition this time again, we're going to use the logical OR operator between the 2 test conditions, but the test conditions individually are going to be whether ch is what did I do? Where ch is equal to small a, or ch is equal to capital A. And remember, we are not assigning the value to ch, so you have to use the equality operator, equality check operator rather, and that is the equal to symbol twice, right? So these are our 2 test conditions. Now A is A, so whether the user has entered the small a or the big A, we need the if statement to work. So since we are interested in only one of these statements, one of these conditions to be satisfied, we are going to use the logical OR operator over here, and we cannot use the logical AND because since we're dealing with character input here, we can have just one input, and it can either be small a or it can be upper A if it is A. Otherwise it can be some other character, but if it's A, then it has to be either small case A or the uppercase A. So you have to put the logical OR operator between these 2 conditions, and the logical OR operator is the pipe symbol twice, right? So if you don't know where you can find that, then over the enter key you see the what is this? I guess this is the backslash. People call it backslash, and you have to shift up on that to get 2 of these symbols, right? So you put 2 pipe symbols between your test conditions to get the logical OR operator, and then within the block of if, I'm going to have printf to display a message like good job, and in the block of else I'll have another printf statement, but that's going to display a different message like incorrect input, right? So I'll put a semicolon to terminate this, and let me run the program for you guys first to see what happens. So in the output window, I see the message enter alphabet A. So firstly, let me enter something else like the dollar symbol, right? So if I enter this, I see the message incorrect input, right? And that is something we expected. But if I execute the program and if I type in small a and press the enter key, I see good job. And if I run the program and type in the uppercase A and press enter, I still see the message good job. So that's what the OR logical operator does for you. You know, if you want one of the many conditions to evaluate into a true value, then you have to use the logical OR operator, because the AND operator makes it necessary for all the conditions to result into true, whereas the OR operator just needs one of the many conditions to be satisfied. So that's what OR does, and in the next tutorial we're going to check out the last of the three logical operators. It's the NOT operator. And till then, take care of yourself, and I'll see you guys soon. And please subscribe to my channel in case you haven't already, and thank you so much for watching this one.